bringing widespread flash flooding. Apart from the CBD, the hardest hit areas were Narre Warren, Oakleigh, St Kilda, Elwood and Moorabbin. So far, the SES has taken 5,000 calls for help. There have been 90 rescues, 30,000 homes lost power. There are warnings of more wild weather to come, and Victorians have been urged to stay indoors. Well, the Weather Bureau said it would be bad, and it was, with much of the drama captured on mobile phone by those caught in the thick of it. Alan Rascal is in Elwood. Alan, the flash flooding left people little time to react.
Jen, so much water fell so quickly it caught many off guard. I'm standing in Foam Street in Elwood, where locals say the water came up to the waist, inundating homes and leaving cars floating down the streets. Within minutes, the street became a river, everything falling victim to the torrent's path.
This guy's coming in with an umbrella. It shows how deep it is. It goes all the way down the road.
Locals stood little chance against the surge of water. Cars and homes were inundated.
The whole way here was like a river, basically. About that much water going through the house.
A wave in Wave Street inundating Craig Williams' home.
Once it got under the house, it just came basically straight up and down.
This was the moment water started spilling over a nearby bridge.
May well go under very soon. It's actually just starting to go now.
The destructive storm cell started rolling across the metropolitan area around 7 o'clock last night. It left a trail of devastation in its wake. More rain throughout the morning, adding to the woes. A 26-year-old British tourist was left in a critical condition after a tree fell across her tent at Doncaster, while at Beaconsfield, 2 boys were rescued after being swept away.
We're crossing the bridge up there to go to my friends, and the car was fairly strong, just got some under, so we ended up down here.
Yeah, how do you feel now?
Pretty shaken up.
At Mordialloc, lightning destroyed the front of a home, while at Werribee, a local shopping centre was flooded. Crops in the area also destroyed.
We mainly grow broccoli and cauliflower, so we've lost pretty much everything that we've planted, everything that's been ready to be cut, and everything that's in the process of growing.
Others had their own problems.
A pretty smelly state of affairs, really, yeah. Sewage bubbling everywhere, and it's been bubbling since about 8 o'clock last night.
To give you an idea of just how much water fell, believe it or not, this is an underground car park underneath some units. As you can see, its clearance is 2 metres, and somewhere down there are 4 cars. This photo shows the water pouring in Donna Vizzi's cars, one of those lost.
Definitely, absolutely a write-off, so couldn't even get anything out of it. It was just so quick.
The fast-flowing water across the city caught many motorists off guard. Others ignored warnings and used the floodwaters as a playground, prompting this rebuke from the Premier.
Please don't drive through, ride through or play in floodwaters. Floodwaters are dangerous.
Emergency services were stretched to the limit, responding to an endless stream of calls for help.
We still have around 2,000 of those calls yet to be attended to, so we do ask people to be patient.
At Hoppers Crossing, residents were evacuated from an aged care facility after water started creeping indoors. It seems no part of Greater Melbourne was spared the storm's wrath. As well as the obvious impacts, there were the less obvious. This is the Chelsea public golf course.
A few water hazards, yeah. No sand, it's all water, the whole course.
That humour helping many to cope. Ill-timed sprinklers, another joke. Alan Rascal, 7 News.